Next topic is Lewis acid base theory. This is the last acid base theory. Till now we discussed Arrhenius acid base theory, Bronsted-Lowry acid base theory, conjugate acid base theory. This is the last acid base theory, that is what? Lewis acid base theory. Here you have to know one point. What is Lewis acid? Lewis acid definition is the substance which gains lone pair of electrons from other substance and form day-2 bond. Day-2 bond means coordinate covalent bond is called Lewis acid. What is the point? The substance which gains lone pair of electrons from other substance. That means the substance should accept lone pair of electrons from other substance. That is called Lewis acid. Then between those two substances one bond will be formed. That bond is called coordinate covalent bond, that is also called day-2 bond. Here one more point is there, that is to gain lone pair of electrons, that substance should contain vacant orbital. To gain lone pair of electrons, that substance should contain lone pair of electrons. To donate lone pair of electrons, to gain lone pair of electrons, that substance should contain vacant orbital. To donate lone pair of electrons, that substance should contain free lone pair. I will tell one example, then you get clear idea. See, H. What is the meaning of H? Hydrogen atom. It contains only one electron. H plus means what? Proton. It loses that one electron also. Then H plus contains vacant orbital. When this H plus reacts with H2O, then we get H3O plus. That means it can also be written as H2O H plus. Why we can write like that? Because here H2O central atom is what? Oxygen. This oxygen contains two lone pair of electrons. Here this oxygen donates one lone pair of electrons to this H plus. Why? This H plus having vacant orbital. Then between that oxygen and H plus one bond will be formed. Here that bond is called coordinate covalent bond. So to donate lone pair of electrons, it contains free lone pairs. To accept lone pair of electrons, it should contain vacant orbital. So this is called Lewis acid. Automatically this is called Lewis base. So what is the definition of Lewis base? The substance which donates lone pair of electrons to other substance is called Lewis base. Then day-2 bond will be formed. What is Lewis acid? The substance should gain lone pair of electrons from other substance. Lewis base means the substance donates lone pair of electrons to other substance. Lewis acid means the substance gains lone pair of electrons from other substance. Then day-2 bond will be formed. Next, types of Lewis acid. That means there are some types. First type is all simple cations acts as Lewis acid. Simple cations means H plus, Cl plus. These are simple cations. It contains vacant orbital. It also contains vacant orbital. So that they act as what? Lewis acids. That is the first type. Second type, elements with sextet configuration. Sextet means 6 electrons are present in outermost orbit. That is called sextet. Oxygen, sulfur. Both are present 6A group elements. Because both are having 6 valence electrons, they can act as Lewis acid. Why? To get stability, it requires 8 electrons, but it is having 6 electrons. So they can get lone pair of electrons from other substance. Automatically they act as Lewis acids. That is second type. Third type, the molecule in which central atom having vacant orbitals acts as Lewis acid. BCl3, BCl2, B2H6, all these are Lewis acids. For example, BCl3. What is the central atom? Boron. Boron atomic number 5. Atomic electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 2 plus 2 plus 1. So it is the orbital representation. If you observe this orbital representation, boron contains vacant orbitals. I told you already, it should to act as Lewis acid, the substance should contain vacant orbital. So this BCl3, BCl2, B2H6, in all cases central atoms having vacant orbitals, so they can act as Lewis acid. That is third type. And last type, the molecules in which multiple bonds means either double bonds or triple bonds. present between two different atoms. Present between two different atoms acts as Lewis acid. For example, structure of CO2, CO2 SO3. So CO2 structure like this, SO3 structure like this. If you observe these two structures, here double bonds are present between two different atoms. Different atoms. So they act as Lewis acids. These are the types of Lewis acids. Next, Lewis base. I told you already. What is the definition? The substance which donates lone pair of electrons to other substance. Here, the substance which accepts lone pair of electrons from other substance. Here, the substance which donates lone pair of electrons to other substance and form D2 bond is called Lewis base. Types of Lewis base. Here, first type is all simple cations. Here, first type is all simple anions. Example, OH minus, Cl minus, etc. Here, second type is what? The molecules in which central atom having lone pair of electrons act as Lewis base, H2O, NH3. Because in those molecules, central atom having free lone pair of electrons, so they can donate those lone pair of electrons to other substance. Automatically, they act as Lewis base. Next, the molecules in which multiple bond between same atom act as Lewis acid. Here, molecules in which multiple bonds between two different atoms. Here, multiple bonds should be present between same atoms. Example, C2H2, C2H4, C2H2. Here, two carbons. First, we have to write those two carbons. Here, two hydrogens are there. Put one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. Every time carbon forms how many bonds? 4 bonds. Here already one bond is there. Still, it requires 3 bonds. That 3 bonds present between these two carbons. If you observe these 3 bonds, those 3 bonds present between two same atoms. One more example is what? C2H4. C2H4. Write 2 carbons. Here 4 hydrogens. Split it equally. 2 hydrogens this side, 2 hydrogens for this carbon. Here already carbon forms 2 bonds. Still it requires 2 more bonds. Though automatically those 2 bonds formed between these 2 carbon atoms. So here also multiple bonds formed between two same atoms. So these two substances acts as what? Lewis bases. So what is the third point? If multiple bonds formed between two same atoms, that is Lewis acid. If multiple bonds formed between two different atoms, that is Lewis acid. Here multiple bonds. Here if molecule having vacant orbital, that is Lewis acid. Here molecule having free lone pair of electrons in central atom, that is Lewis base. According to this theory, transfer of lone pair from base to acid is called what? Neutralization. This is all about Lewis acid base theory. So here 4 acid base theories are there. For 4 acid base theories, there are different definitions for acids and bases. You have to remember all the definitions. All are very important. You have to remember neutralization also. According to Arrhenius acid base theory, what is neutralization? Formation of salt from acid and base. According to Bronsted-Lowry base theory, what is the neutralization? Transfer of proton from acid to base. According to this theory, what is neutralization? Transfer of lone pair from base to acid. All this is neutralization. You have to remember all these definitions and conditions also. Thank you.